Hey, what's up, Solana coin holders? Welcome to another brand new guys. Today we'll talk about the next price target of Solana. What is next price target? Can you take a short position or long position? I will tell you, my brother. Solana is 2.84% decreasing in last 24. However, can we take a long position right now? No, my brother. We take a short position. You can see after this crazy breakdown, if you take a short position, then this time you are in great profit. But you missed it, I know. So, my brother, if you take a right now short position, I will tell you, my friends, to where it is really pumped up. Okay, so you can see here first of all the market cap and the volume. If we see, my brother, the market cap was 2.84% decreasing, and the volume is 25.37% decreasing just in last 24 hours. So that's mean, my brother, that it was in downtrend. Bearish chances is too much, and also we will see breakdown here now. So therefore, my friends, it is slowly, but big crash was also expected. So if you take a short position right now, this is a confirm that you will win the Solana trade. But for confirmed trades, you need to join my Telegram group, because link is in the description, and you print every day money like machine from my signal. See you next time, guys. Join Telegram group. Link is in the description.